Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope so. Okay. In accountancy, today we are going to learn the remaining problems in ledger accounts. Okay. We have done up to 4 problems. The fifth one we will do. Okay. I will read that problem for you. The following balances appeared in the books of Kumaran on April 1, 2017. Assets, cash, stock, amount due from Rohit, furniture, liabilities, and Kumaran's capital. Find the capital and the ledger posting for the above opening balances. Question: find the capital and show the ledger posting. Are already given, so we will write the journal entry and we will check. Okay. Journal entry. So it is opening journal entry. Okay. We can write opening journal entry. Draw 5 columns. Okay. First, cash account debtor, stock account debtor, Rohit account debtor, furniture account debtor, then liabilities to Anush, then capital, Kumaran's capital. Okay, the amount 1 lakh, stock 40,000, Rohit 10,000, furniture 10,000, liabilities Anush 40,000. Capital 1,20,000. Whether we will get the same amount, we will check. Here 1 lakh, 1,40,000, 1,50,000, 1,60,000. Here 1,60,000. So it is correct. Okay. So without doing also we can check the amount if it is correct or not. Now find the capital and show the ledger posting for the above opening balances. So first we will do the ledger accounts. First one, cash account. Okay, cash account. Yesterday I told you how to draw line. Okay, then date, particulars, JF, rupees. Here also data, here date, particulars, rupees. JF, rupees. Okay, so first one, cash account. Data 1 lakh. So cash debit. So 2. Date what? 2017 April 1. Okay. 2. Opening, so 2 balance brought down. 1 lakh. Okay. That's all. Isn't it? Then stock account. Stock account also debit. So the same date to balance brought down. 40,000. Okay, in the same way, then Rohit account. Rohit account, that also debit, isn't it? So 2017 April 1 to balance brought down. Rohit 10,000. Okay, then next account, furniture account. That also debit balance only. Okay, so same date. No need to write for each and every problem that particulars like that. In the top, if you write once, that will do. Okay. Furniture, how much? 10,000. After furniture, Anush. In Anush, credit, isn't it? Liabilities. So here we should write credit side. By balance brought down. Opening balance, by balance brought down. Okay, amount 40,000. Then Kumaran's capital account. Same credit side. Credit we have entered, isn't it? So credit side we should write. $1,20,000. Okay, that's all. Now sixth problem. We will read. Give journal entries and post them to cash account. Only cash account we have to prepare. Commenced business with cash, introduced additional capital, withdrawn for personal use. That's all. 3 entries. Okay. We will write first the journal entries. Number 6. Journal entries. 5 columns you have to write. Date, particulars, LF, debit, credit, isn't it? So first date, year 2016, June 1. Commenced business. So what is the entry? Cash account debtor to capital account. Okay. Commenced business. 1,10,000. Okay, then next one, introduced additional capital. Again 10. Same entry, isn't it? Cash account debtor to capital account. You have to write full word, okay, capital. Then same, introduced additional capital. $50,000. Okay, then 28. Withdrawn for personal use. If we withdraw, it is called drawings. For personal use, drawings account debtor to cash account. Withdrawn for personal use, 20,000. Here they have asked to post only one account. So we will take 2 pages. Okay. Only cash account. Cash account, you have to write everything. Okay. Debtor, last side creditor, then date, particulars, JF, rupees, 2. Then date, particulars, JF, rupees. Okay. Now first entry is cash account debtor to capital. So that debit side we have to write 2016 June 1 to capital in the particulars column. Capital account 1,10,000 in the amount column. Next entry also cash account debtor to capital, date 10, post to capital account 50,000. Where I am writing 5, this below this one. Okay. The next one, withdrawn for personal use. Drawings account debtor to cash. So cash is credited. So credit side we have to write, isn't it? So start with the date. 2016 June 28 by drawings account. What we have written in the debit is drawings. Okay, drawings account. Amount is 20,000. So we have posted 3 entries. Now we will balance them. Okay. So now you check the amount in the amount column. Here 1,60,000, there 20. So write the bigger amount on both the sides. 1,60,000. Okay. Here also 1,60,000. Now write the last date. June last date 30. Then write by balance carried down. Now you balance and write 0, 0, 0, 4, 0. Fifth digit 2, here 6. So add 4, 6, then 1. So what is the balance? 1,40,000. Now after this amount column, here next month is July. So you write July 1, 2. This by balance carried down will change into to balance brought down. Okay. To balance brought down. Just below this amount, one line will be there. You write this 1,40,000. So 1,40,000. So what is the meaning? Then the same day or next day we will start adding all the items in this cash account. Okay. Every month we close that account. Okay. 6th one over. Now 7th one. 7th problem. Give journal entries for the following transactions and post them to cash account and sales account. Here there are 3 entries and only 2 accounts we need to prepare. Cash account and sales account. Sold goods and check received but not deposited. Sold goods on credit to Gopi. Received cash from Gopi. Okay. Now we will write this. First the journal entries. Okay. First you write the number 7. Okay. Journal entries. You draw neatly 2 lines. Okay. Both the side. Okay. Now you write journal entries. You know 5 columns, isn't it? Date, particulars, LF, then debit, credit, rupees, isn't it? Sold goods and check received but not deposited into the bank. So when we receive check, you have to treat us that we have received cash. So first write the date 2017 August 10. Okay, so cash account debtor to sales account. Sold goods means sales. That sales will be credited. Check received, we cannot write check account. Your bank account we cannot write because we have not deposited that check in the bank. So we have to write as check cash account only. When you deposit that check in the bank, that cash will be given credit. Bank will be debited. Okay. So write the amount 30,000. Debit side 30,000 credit side. What is the narration? Sold goods. Okay. Then 14. Sold goods on credit to Gopi. So one sales account, the another one not for cash, not for check receipt. That is Gopi is the receiver. Gopi's account debtor to sales account. Okay. Sold goods on credit or to Gopi, or simply you can write 12,000. Then 20. Received cash from Gopi. So cash is coming in. Cash account debtor. Who is the giver? Gopi. Gopi's account. Cash received. Okay. Find out the account correctly. Very easy only. Don't be confused. I think you might have got experience in preparing journal entries. Now 2 lessons we are preparing journal entries, isn't it? So now we have prepared the journal entries. Now post them to cash account and sales account. Only 2 accounts we have to prepare. Okay. Cash account first. Cash account and sales account. So first cash account. What is the first entry? Cash account debtor to sales account. So debit side. So write the date. 2017 August 10. Cash account debtor to sales account. 30,000. Then cash coming. Next one 14. No. But in 20 we receive cash. Instantly cash account debtor to Gopi. 20. Gopi's account. Your sales account. Gopi 12,000. Now we can close it. Okay, the same year, month same August, last date 31, isn't it? Since no items on the credit side, full amount will be coming, isn't it? 42,000. So write both the amount called 42,000. Here also 42,000. Then next month, September 1 to balance brought down 42,000. Okay, now cash account over. Now which account they have asked? Sales account. So prepare, leave one line and prepare sales account. The debtor creditor we have to write. Okay, then all date particulars rupees, date particulars rupees, then JF also small column. Now sales account, first one credited, isn't it? So credit side only we need to write the date first, 2017 August 10, isn't it? Sales account is credited by cash account. With the help of entry only we have to post in the ledger. 30,000. Then next one, sold goods to on credit to Gopi. So Gopi's account debtor to sales. So here by Gopi's account. $12,000. This also we need to post. Here last date, same year, same month, last 31 to balance carry down 12,000. Sorry, 42 total, isn't it? 42,000. Then same line you have to draw. One line, double line, 42,000. This 42,000 will be straight. Okay, now you write the opening balance. This is called closing balance. Opening balance, here we have written the year, only the month we need to change. September 1 by balance brought down. How much? 42,000. Okay, that's all. Two accounts you have prepared. Okay, that's all. Now, 8th one. Enter the following transactions in the books of Ganesan and post them into ledger. 2017. Okay, October 1. Started business with cash. Deposited into bank. Purchased furniture and payment by check. Goods purchased for cash. Sold goods to Vasu on credit. Goods worth 500 taken for personal use. Enter the following transactions in the books of Ganesan. Maybe the journal entries we need to prepare. Okay, and post them into ledger. So, first we need to prepare the journal entries. It is a very big problem. Okay. So, around 6 transactions, then all the accounts we need to prepare. Okay. First write the number, then journal entries. Okay. Now write draw the lines. Okay, then you write started business with cash. First write the date 2017 October 1. Cash account debtor to capital. Started business. $25,000. Then fifth date, deposited into bank. So here two accounts affected. One is bank, it is receiving, debit the receiver. Then another one cash, cash is going out, credit what goes out. So cash account, deposited into bank. Deposited into bank. 12,500. Then 10. Purchased furniture and payment by check. So when we purchase furniture, that is asset, debit what comes in. So what is coming in? Furniture. So furniture account debtor to credit the giver. Here payment is made by check. So personal account, bank is paying. So to bank account. Okay. Then furniture, purchased furniture. Purchased furniture. 2,000. Okay, then 15. Goods purchased for cash. So goods purchased means we should write as purchases. Purchases account debtor to cash. Goods purchased. Okay, 5,000. Then 19 date. Sold goods to Vasu on credit. Here Vasu is receiving. So Vasu's account debtor to goods sold means that is sales. So sales always should be credited to sales account. So goods sold. Okay, here 4,000. Then 22. Goods worth 500 taken for personal use. Goods, okay. Here we can personal use, we can write as drawings. Drawings account. Debtor. Okay, then 2. Here purchases we have to write because he is not taking cash. Okay, he is taking goods. So we need to credit purchases account. So goods taken. Okay, 500. Now we need to post all these entries. Okay, first cash account. First entry, cash account debtor to capital account. Date 2017 October 1. Okay, to capital account. 25,000. First post all the cash accounts. Okay. Then next one, deposited into bank. Bank account debtor to cash. So cash is credited. So credit side we have to write. First you write the date. 5, isn't it? So by bank account. 12,500. Okay. Then 10, there is no cash. 15 cash, isn't it? There, purchases account debtor to cash. So this side we have to enter. First write the date. 15. Here by purchases. Purchases account. 5,000. Okay. Then 19. No cash. Then 22 also no cash. So we will close this account. Check the larger amount total. Here 25, here 17. So write this larger amount in the amount column total. Draw to same line, one line, the next line double line. So larger amount 25,000. Same amount you write here also 25,000. Now you write the last date October 31 by balance carried down. Okay, carried down. Now you add and write. Okay, here 0, 0, third digit 5 is there, 0. So if you add 5, we will get to 10. For 10, we will write 0. The balance 1, isn't it? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8. We need to get 5. So we need to add 7. Then we will get 15. The balance 1 is there. 1 plus 1, 2. So the carry down 7,500. So next date. Next date is November 1. November 1 to balance brought down 7,500. Okay. The next account after cash, capital account. Capital account. Capital account usually it will appear on the credit side, isn't it? October 1 by capital credited. So credit side by cash account you have to write. Okay, how much? 25,000. Only one item, you leave it. Then next one, fifth one, bank account. So next account is bank account. in bank account deposited into bank, debit side, bank account debtor to cash. So write the date 2017 October 5. Okay, bank account debtor to cash account 12,500. Any other bank account is there, you check. Next entry, isn't it? Furniture account debtor to bank. So bank is credited. So credit side we have to post. So write the date 10, isn't it? Bank. So by furniture account 2,000. Okay. Any other bank transaction? No. So we will balance it, isn't it? Here 31 by balance carry down. Short, where there is lesser amount, there we need to write this balance. Okay. Here 12,500. So write the larger amount in the total column. Now write the balance in this line. 0, 0, 5, 5. Okay, then 2 there, 0, nothing there. So 10,500. So you can write next date November 1, 2, balance brought down 10,500. Okay, then after bank account, second entry over. Third one, furniture. Isn't it? Purchased furniture. So furniture account. Furniture account by here. What is the entry? Furniture account debtor to bank. So debit side. So write the date. October 10, isn't it? To bank 2,000. Okay, one item you can leave as it is. If they ask you to balance the accounts, then it is a must. You have to balance. Otherwise, one item you can leave as it is. Okay. Since many accounts are there, but if it is only one account, two accounts they have asked, we should close the accounts. We have to balance the accounts. Okay. So after furniture, then again purchases account, isn't it? Purchases account. Then date 2017 October 15. Purchases account debtor to cash account 5,000. Then any other purchases? Yes, the last one, isn't it? Drawings account debtor to purchases. So credit side we have to write, start with the date 22 by drawings account. Okay, 500. Now we will balance less amount on the credit side. So write the last date by balance carry down. Then total 5,000, isn't it? Write the 5,000. Here 4,500. Then balance we need to write. Next date November 1, 2, balance brought down 4,500. Okay, like this each and every account must be open. Okay, then sales account, drawings account we have to do. Okay, so I think we can complete with this one. The remaining problems we will do later. Okay, or you yourself can do. Okay. because we have to complete all 14 chapters. Okay students, so I will complete this chapter here, then we will start doing the next chapter. Okay, unit 5. Thank you very much students.